do a super speedy shark using a blue gradient cape by Fuchsia Body Art. I'm going to go over the way around the eye, and I'm going to bring it, pull it down, bring it, and pull it down to create the shark's body. And then you want to make sure that your shark's nose has kind of a twist to it, so it's not like a flat lump. And then we'll put a little bit of extra paint there for his flipper. And now I've got a brush, one white on the front, black on the back, and it's going to make little teeth. Just go all the way around the top and the bottom jaw, and you can fill it in with teeth. And then you can also use this for a shark eye, like that. And we'll put a little bit of black right here in the middle for his evil eye, and put some gills for breathing in his nose. Little line there, little line there, little line there, and then for the last part, put some red in his eye and around his mouth. And we've got a super scary shark jumping out. It's gonna eat you in the eyeball, I'm sorry. Cheese.